3 cans of chicken broth. I have some fresh cut carrots. Perfect.
You wash the carrots, right?
Yeah, of course. I have some celery. This is gonna be so good. My kids love this recipe. So easy, so quick.
Super nutritionist too.
Yeah. All right. I have some shredded chicken. Okay. Ooh, nice and shredded. This is gonna be so good.
I love chicken. Look at how perfectly shredded that is.
It's so perfect and so good. Get all your chicken in there.
Delicious.
Right? Okay, perfect. Now I just filled up one of my cans with some water because you're gonna need a little bit more liquid in there. All right, what we're making here is chicken noodle soup.
Ooh, chicken noodle soup. For anybody that's sick or anybody that's not feeling well, this is a great substitute.
Right? And then in order to get that flavor, I'm actually gonna use those chicken flavors that came with the ramen that we started out with.
That's so smart.
Yep, really get that seasoning going in there.
You get your sodium intake for the day, which is great.
Yes, but you have all those veggies in there, so it's all healthy. It's all good.
That's true.
Ooh, this is gonna cook so quick. We have our temperature set to medium.
Medium.
Yeah. Pretty much once these noodles are softened, it's gonna be ready to eat and your kids are gonna love it. It's so quick. The quickest chicken noodle soup you'll ever make.
And you know, this is super cheap and it could feed a whole family.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
exactly. All right, let's give this a nice little stir. Get all those flavors everywhere. All right, this is gonna be so good. Okay, make sure those noodles are really submerged in that broth and water. Okay, this is gonna be great. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up and let that baby cook. All right, let's check out those noodles. Oh yeah,
Look at that.
that's starting to look so good. Gotta really just stir all those flavors together. Oh, this is gonna be the best chicken noodle soup you've ever had. Oh, so much seasoning, so much flavor. Oh, all those yummy noodles.
Look at that. Let's get in there.
Yeah. This is missing some sea salt. Let's go ahead. Add a little bit of sea salt. A little bit of black pepper. And then one last seasoning, parsley flakes. There's a lot of noodles in there, so you need a lot of seasoning. Do not be skimpy with your seasoning. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be so good. All right. Everything mixed together. Oh, wow.
It smells delicious.
Bowl right here. We get our ladle. Let me get some of the juices first. Oh yeah. Right in there. Get some of those veggies and all that goodness.
I'd get the chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not chicken noodle soup.
Right, okay, now it's time to get those noodles and we'll go back to those tongs. Oh, they're so perfectly cooked.
Look at that.
Okay, that looks like the
That's
perfect
amazing.
serving. Maybe grab a few more veggies, throw it on top. I'm so excited.
It looks so good.
Okay. Whew.
Might have to eat it with a fork.
Oh no, I want all that broth and goodness. See? Perfect bite.
Make sure you blow on it.
Mmm.
Is it good?
The carrots are crunchy just the way I like it.